Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. About the first one, we can apply about the power rule of derivative. So if we have y equals to a to the power of n. If we do first derivative of this one, we have na to the power of n minus 1. And later that, we do first derivative of a. So, we have number 3 cosine to the power of 3 minus 1. And we have 2s. Later that we do first derivative of cosine 2s. So this one we have number 2. First derivative of cosine 2s, we have negative cosecant of 2s squared. And later that we do first derivative of 2s. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. So we have number 2. Number 2 and number 3, we have number 6. And negative side we put in here. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. So first derivative of this one, we have number 2 sine to the power of 2 minus 1. And we have the square root of s. Later that we do first derivative of sine of the square root of s. This one we have number 1. So we have sine. First derivative of sine, we have cosine with the square root of s. Later that we do first derivative of the square root of s. And this one we have 1 over number 2 with the square root of s. Next, number 2 and number 2 we simplify. So I will put this one gone here. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the last one. If we do first derivative of this one, we will put about number 2 in here because this is about the square root. So we put the square root on the denominator. Later that we do first derivative of 4 minus s squared. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This is about the constant. So you got about 0. So we have negative 2s. Number 2 divided by number 2, we simplify. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.